I'm gonna tell you real quick why you keep getting denied. So a lot of times you're getting denied because your personal profile is not set up correctly. There's no shortcut in this part, y'all. If you have a thin credit profile, if you don't have enough accounts, if you're looking for business credit cards but you don't have personal credit cards of your own, you're gonna get denied. A lot of times to get business credit cards, they're gonna look at your personal credit card limits. So I can go and get you $150,000, but your profile needs to be set up a certain way. You need to have at least 5 personal primary accounts on your personal credit. And out of those 5, you need to have at least 2 personal credit cards. 2 personal credit cards, that's at least a $2,000 limit on each one. That's at least 2 years old. So 222, 2 personal credit cards, $2,000 limit, 2 years old. At least, if you have that, it should be easy to get you some funding. If you have over that, it's going to be really easy to get you funding. All right, my friends. So if you like this type of content and you want to learn how to level up in life, this is the channel for you. What I want you to do is like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you can stay up to date and you can see more videos just like this from me. I also want you to click the notification bell so you can make sure you always get notified, because we put out a video every single day. We don't miss. Every single day we have a new piece of content dropping for you. So subscribe, like, and share, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Now, the good thing about this is that I can take you and I can structure your profile with you, but you have to do exactly what I tell you. If you do what I say, we're going to get to the end goal. It might take you a little longer. You might not be able to get there right now, but we're going to set you up to get what you're looking to get in the future. But also, you can get personal funding right now. So while we're building your personal profile up, we can get you $50 to maybe $100, $150,000 just on the personal side. So you're not waiting to get any funding at all. You have capital that you can use, that you can invest in whatever it is you want to invest in and get yourself some income until we go and get you that business funding later on down the line.